This is how we wired a vacuum and a solution reel in a carpet cleaning van Hydromaster 2010 Savana. We ran a hot wire straight from the battery with a subwoofer kit. Comes with an inline fuse. Ran it through the engine bay. And that hot wire runs right to there. Goes to a terminal that goes to fuses, solenoids, and we have the ground terminal right there, which comes out of the box right there and goes to the seat. I wire brushed that nut and put a connector in between there. The old way we had it hooked up, the ground was not a good ground, so we put a waterproof box with these two terminals, and it is done correctly now. We ran 8 wires through this orange 3/4 inch loom, zip tied it all the way up over top the pillar and around. First wires come out at this switch. These are the switch wires for the vacuum reel. 2 more wires continue down and go to the solution reel switch. Then they continue on from there. 2 more wires come out at the motor for the solution reel. And then the last 2 wires go all the way back to the vacuum reel wires. Now the motors themselves have a male and a female connector on them, so that if they ever need to be replaced, they can just be quickly swapped in and out. And that's how we wired the Hydromaster vacuum and solution reels. Thanks for watching.